Want instant answer to your questions directly on X, formerly Twitter. Today I'll show you how to ask Grok AI questions and get smarter detailed responses right on the app. First, open the X app. If you haven't logged in yet, sign into your account or create one. You will need to be logged in to ask Grok questions using the integrated AI feature. Once logged in, look for the Grok AI feature. It's right on the bottom. Click on it. Now tap on Grok AI question box. And here's the cool part. Ask anything, whether it's factual query or creative challenge, or even just advice. Grok AI is ready to help. For example, can you give me tips on growing my Twitter following? And hit search. And within seconds, Grok will analyze your request and respond with a clear, accurate answer. Want a deeper analysis or more specific answers? Use follow-up questions like, what about strategies for growing on multiple platforms? Hit search. Grok will adapt and provide even more detailed response. It's like having your own personal AI assistant right in X. For example, let's say you want to know how to grow my brand with TikTok and X. Hit search and Grok will give you tips on leveraging both platforms effectively. You could even get a step-by-step strategy or content ideas all within seconds. And that's it. Asking Grok AI questions on X is as simple as typing your query and get instant actionable insights. It's the perfect way to boost productivity or get smarter on any topic. If this video helped, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Now it's your turn. What questions would you ask Grok? Drop your ideas in the comments below and let's start the conversation.